Now students, next topic we are going to learn, that is greatest and smallest numbers using given digits. Okay, means they will give you digits different and they will ask you to make greatest and smallest number by using those digits. Now how to make that? See here, to write the greatest number. If they ask you to write the greatest number, then we write the digits in descending order. For greatest number, you will have to arrange the digits in descending order. And to write the smallest number, we write the digits in ascending order. Okay. So for greatest number, we will have to arrange the number digits in which order? Descending order. And to write the smallest number, you will have to write the digits in ascending order. Okay. See, now we will solve practice 1.4, which is based on to form the greatest and smallest numbers using given digits. Okay. Now see, what is the first question in practice 1.4? Make the greatest and the smallest 7-digit numbers using the digits 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 8 and 3, and repetition is not allowed. Means we don't have to repeat the given digits again and again. Means we have to use the digit at one time only. Okay. So I'll show you how to make the greatest number and smallest number by using the given digits. See here, I told you to make the greatest number, we'll have to arrange the given digits in descending order. Okay. Now descending order means we have to write which biggest number first or smallest number. We have to write the biggest number first. Descending order means we are from bigger to smaller. So here, which is the biggest digit? See here, 8. So that we will write first. Now see, here after each digit comma is there. But when we are writing greatest number, okay, that time after each digit we don't have to give the commas. Now here greatest digit is 8. After 8, which is the greatest? See here, 6. After 6, which is the greatest? 5. Then 4. Then 3. Then 2. And then 1. Okay. So this is the greatest 7-digit number we formed by using this digit. And we did not repeat the digits also. Can you see? Did we repeat any digit here? No. Means, as they said, repetition is not allowed. Means each digit only one time we have to use to make the greatest number. Followed? And now how to write the smallest number? How to make the smallest number? So for making smallest number, we have to arrange the digits in which order? Ascending order. Now see, just reverse of it. This is descending order, and when we will write the digits from this side, it will become the ascending order. Now see, which is the smallest digit? 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, and then 8. So this is the smallest 7-digit number we made by using these digits. Followed? Now question number 2. Make the greatest and the smallest 8-digit number using the digits 2, 0, 4, 9, 5, 8, 7 and 1, and repetition is not allowed. Again same kind of question, only in question number 1 we made 7-digit number. Okay. And here 8 digits are given and we have to make the greatest and smallest number by using this. Again same rule we have to use. Okay. So for first we will make greatest number. Now what did I say? How to make the greatest number. We have to make the greatest number by arranging the given digits in descending order. Okay. Now here, which is the greatest number, greatest digit? Just see 2, 0, 4, 9, 5, 8, 7 and 1, 9. So 9 I will write first. After 9, which digit will come? 8, then 7, then 5, then 4, then 2, then 1, and then at the last 0. Okay, because 0 is the smallest one. Now see, it is 8-digit number. Greatest 8-digit number we made by using the given digits. Now next is smallest number. Okay. For writing smallest number, what we have to do? We have to arrange the given digits in ascending order. But now here see, here 0 is the smallest digit. But can we write 0 in the beginning of the number? No, because if we will write 0 in the beginning, then what will happen? It will not make 8-digit number. Instead of 8-digit, if we will write 0 in the beginning, it will become 7-digit number, and we want 8-digit number. So what we have to do? See here, first leave 0. Okay, don't look at 0. Other than 0, which is the smallest digit? 1. So that we have to write first. After that, write 0. Okay, and then you can write the digits in ascending order. So after that, which digit will come? 2, then 4, then 5, then 7, and then 8, then 9. See? So this is the smallest 8-digit number we made by using the given digits. Only here, as 0 was there, we have to take care. We cannot write 0 in the beginning, because if we do so, it will make the 7-digit number instead of 8-digit. Next question, question number 3. Make the greatest and the smallest 9-digit number using the digits 7, 6, 3, 8, 1, 9, 2, 4 and 5. Repetition is not allowed. Again, same kind. So greatest number we will make. To write the greatest number, we have to arrange the digits in descending order. So first, from these digits, which is the greatest digit? See here, 9. So 9 will come first, then 8, then 7, then 6, then 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So this is the greatest 9-digit number we made by using the given digits. Now smallest number. Smallest number means we have to arrange the digits in ascending order. So just reverse of this. Reverse means, see, from here, from back, if you will start writing, you will get the smallest number. See here, 1 is the smallest. After that 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is the smallest number we made by using the digits. Question number 4. Make the greatest and the smallest 9-digit numbers using the digits 5, 7, 6, 3, 8, 2, 1, 0 and 4. And repetition is not allowed, means we don't have to repeat the digits. One time only we have to take the digit in the number. So first we will write the greatest number. Now for writing greatest number, first we have to write the greatest digit. Now here, which is the greatest digit? See, 8. After that 7, then 6, then what will come? 5, then 4, then 3, 2, 1 and then 0. Now to write the smallest number, see, again 0 is there. Should we write 0 in the beginning at first place? No, because if we do so, it will make the 8-digit number, not 9-digit, and we want 9-digit. So again what we have to do? See, like in previous question what we did, first we write the leave 0 and see which is from remaining, which is the smallest digit, 1. So that we will write first, and after that at second place we have to write 0. Okay, don't write 0 in the beginning, and then you will have to arrange the number digits in ascending order. After that what will come? 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is the smallest 9-digit number. Now question number 5. Write the smallest 7-digit number ending in 3 and greatest 8-digit number ending in 5. So see here, first we have to make the smallest 7-digit number. Do you know what is the smallest 7-digit number? How to write? See here. What is the smallest single digit number? 1. And the greatest single digit number is 9. Then smallest 2-digit number is 10. And the greatest 2-digit number is 99. So here smallest 7-digit number we have to write. But it should end with 3. At the end of the number there should be 3. And greatest 8-digit number we have to make. At the end of that 8-digit number, greatest 8-digit number, 5 must be there. Okay, this is the condition. So smallest 7-digit number. What is the smallest 7-digit numbers here? This is the small 10 lakh. This is the smallest 7-digit number. But according to the condition, the 7-digit number ending in 3. At the end, digit 3 should be there. So how to write here? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, then 0, and at the end, what should be there? 3. Followed? See here? This is the smallest 7-digit number ending in 3. Now, similarly, we have to make greatest 8-digit number. Okay. Now again, what is the greatest 8-digit number? See here, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. Okay, this is the greatest 8-digit number. But it should end in 5. Means at the end of that, this greatest 8-digit number, there should be 5. So what to do now? We will write in this way only. Okay. Other all 7 places we will write 9, and at the 8th place we will write 5. So this is the greatest 8-digit number.